It's not every day that we get a clear and direct signal of what could be one of the biggest wealth generating events in crypto. I am talking about something that people have been waiting for in crypto forever, and that is the Metamask token. It's been a myth, a meme for many years, but now the founder of Consensus, Joseph Lubin, has confirmed that it is coming, and he also hinted that it could be coming sooner than many of us think. In today's video, we are going to break down exactly what was said, why people are suddenly getting excited about the launch of this token, and of course the important part, the potential airdrop and those huge rewards that could be life-changing. If you do find the video helpful, if it is useful, don't forget to please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. But that is enough said, let's get into it. Speaking on a podcast in mid-September, Joseph dropped the bombshell that we have all been waiting for, and I quote, "The Mask token is coming. It may come sooner than you would expect right now." Now, for anyone who has been in the space for a while, you will know that the Wen Mask meme has been around since 2021, but this is a direct confirmation from the very top. The big question is, why now, after so many years of silence? I personally believe that there is one main catalyst for this, and that is the change and clarity around regulation. Let's be honest, the years between 2021 and 2024 were absolutely brutal. The SEC was on a warpath trying to destroy any crypto project or company that they could. Launching a token for a platform or product with 30 million monthly active users is pretty much just putting a big target on your back. It would have been an invitation for a massive lawsuit. But now, as we know, the game has completely changed. With a pro-crypto government over in the US, things are very different now. We've seen the Genius Act pass, making a big change for stablecoins, and the SEC has paused many of its high-profile cases. The red tape has finally gone, and that is the green light that they've been waiting for. So we now know that the token is coming and why it is coming, but how will it actually be distributed? Consensus, the company behind Metamask, also built out their own layer 2, which is Linea. And just last month, Linea executed one of the biggest airdrops that we've seen in a while. 9.36 billion Linea tokens were distributed. Just under 750,000 wallets were eligible. And this tells me one thing: Consensus is not afraid of a large community-driven airdrop. And this brings us to the recent Metamask rewards program announcement. On October 4th, Metamask announced that they will distribute $30 million worth of Linea tokens in a new rewards program. This will include referral bonuses, exclusive partner rewards, and other perks. But here's the alpha. The announcement explicitly stated that these rewards will have a meaningful connection with the Metamask token. And for the long-term users, and I quote, they said the OGs will not be ignored. This is a massive signal, and for people like myself who have been around since 2017, 2018, and you've been using Metamask for pretty much 5 years or more now, this is exactly what we want to see. I feel like they are using Linea as a pre-airdrop test run pretty much to see how it goes, to iron out any issues, and to just gauge community sentiment. But that takes us into the biggest question of all. Who is going to get the Mask airdrop? And how do you position yourself for it? Now, full disclaimer, the airdrop itself has not officially been announced yet. So what we are going to talk about now is purely speculation, and I'm taking my best guess based on what we've seen in the past with other airdrops. I believe that eligibility will come down to genuine active use of the wallet's core features. Number one, and this is probably the most likely feature that I think will be rewarded, and this is the Metamask swaps. This is the platform's main moneymaker. It's generated over $325 million in fees. Tracking swap volume is a very clean way for the people on the back end to see genuine use and contributions towards that revenue. Number two is using the Metamask bridge. Again, this is a native feature that they want to encourage people to use, and I believe that the bridging volume and frequency will both be considered. And number three, which is hinted at by that OG comment we mentioned earlier, is wallet's age and consistent activity. And I don't think this is going to be one of those airdrops where you can create a wallet, deposit a small amount, do one swap, and then get the same rewards as everybody else. They'll likely be looking at wallets that have been active for months, if not years. So why do I believe that this airdrop has the potential to make make so many people wealthy, and it isn't just another disappointment. It all comes down to one word: scale. Metamask has around 30 million monthly active users, but let's put that into perspective. Back in the day, the Uniswap airdrop was legendary. It was worth $6.4 billion at the time, but Uniswap had a fraction of the users that Metamask has today. We're talking about a platform that is a core piece of the entire crypto industry, owned by a company that was valued at $7 billion back in 2021. Given the massive user base and its central role in the entire crypto ecosystem, I do believe that it is safe to say that this token should be launching at a multi-billion-dollar valuation. This means that even a modest amount for eligible users could translate into a pretty decent amount. We could be talking thousands, if not tens of thousands per wallet. However, with this level of hype comes a big risk that we must talk about. Scammers are already taking advantage of the news. Fake mask tokens have been appearing on decentralized exchanges, but let me make this crystal clear. There is no mask token live yet. Any token that you see is a scam and is not the real thing. Any website or platform that asks you to connect your wallet to see if you are eligible for the mask airdrop is also a scam. Please do just be vigilant with this stuff. Think twice before you connect your wallet and make sure you are using a link from an official Metamask source. And lastly, of course, it goes without saying, just please never ever give out your 12-word seed phrase, no matter what they say. So to wrap this one up, the momentum of the Metamask token is undeniably heating up. It's been confirmed by Joseph himself that the token will be launched sooner than many people think, and the timing does feel perfect with regulation not being so strict. Metamask have all the ingredients to create a generational wealth airdrop if they really want to. But until we get the official announcement, it is all just speculation. But if you do have old Metamask wallets that you don't really use anymore, make sure you can access them, because you never know, this could be something that changes your life. But I do also want to hear from you guys. Let me know down below if you think this could be one of the biggest crypto airdrops in history. And of course, it goes without saying that if we do get any further updates on this in the near future, I'll be sure to share them on the channel. And if you did enjoy this video, if it was helpful, please do drop a like. Drop a like if you think you are receiving that Metamask airdrop, and also subscribe to the channel if you're feeling generous. In the meantime, please do trade safe, please do invest safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.